Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will configure how to configure port forwarding on FortiGate firewalls. So please follow my all steps and configure. If you get any errors, then please contact me, or you can chat on my YouTube channel. Also you can email me. So first you need to log in your firewalls. After that you need to go to policy and objects. Under the objects you can see virtual IPs. Click on virtual IPs and click create new. Once you click create new, then here you can put name, like I am giving name remote desktop, and after that here under the network you need to select WAN port, which WAN port on configured on your firewall. You can select it WAN port. I have configured WAN port this, so I have selected this one. After that external IP address range, and always select 0, because if you have a fixed IP address of the external user side, then you can create put here range. Otherwise you can select any, it means 00, it means any. And after that you can see map to IP address range. Here we need to map which one IP address we need to allow. So here map range 10.10.100.10. this is my one of machine which IP address this, so I am showing you 10.10.100.10. so this is my machine IP. So we will set this, and once you done this, then you need to select port forwarding enable. Once you enable, then you will see port protocols. For RDP 3389 protocols is required, and 3389. This is the RDP ports, and you can allow which you traffic, like your application developer want 443.80.80.80, which is required. You can port forward, or CCTV, anything you can port forwarding. Once you have filled this detail, then you need to click on save. Okay, so we have created object for virtual. You can see name remote desktops, and port number WAN port, and map from 00, because we don't know, we don't have we will configure static IP, and map to this is a machine, my machine, where I have mapped this. You can select here your address, server, your application, anything you can add it. Once you have done, then go to firewall policy. Click on firewall policy and create new. Remote access allow, and now our incoming interface will be always, when we will create port forwarding, then our incoming interface will be always port WAN. Always remember. And outgoing traffic, here our port 2, and source, here we will select all, and destination we will select here RDP, which we create previous session. So you can see this is a RDP desktop which I want to allow this machine IP address 10.10.100.10. okay, and this rule will be always. And services, we already defined services. Here you can click on all or 3389. If you search, then automatically it will find. Okay, sorry, I have put it wrong way. RDP and HTTPS 8080. okay, 80 HTTP 443. You can select which ports you need to allow and want to port forwarding. Once you click, once you fill these details right, then accept action, and please disable net for port forwarding. There is no required any NAT rule. Once you disable this one, then scroll down click on all section record, then click on OK. Once you click OK, then your firewall WAN to LAN, this policy will be work. You can see under section WAN to LAN, remote access allow all desktop and accepted. Now how we can check? And I have not a public IP address, but I have this IP, might be this will work. So I am trying to open, but this is the right way where you can configure. Because I have triple PoE internet connections, so might be it will not work because I don't have a public IP address till now. So I am trying. If it will not work, just because of I don't have a public IP address. That's why. If I have public IP address, then I will it will show on my interface like here. WAN port, you can see I have configured WAN port 192.168.29.251. This is my geo IP address and I don't have public IP, that's why I cannot show you, but this is right track and this is right configuration. Please do. If you get any error, please contact me, definitely I will help you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.